Happy New Year, guys! It's finally 2021. Can you just take a moment to thank God for even making it to 2021, because 2020 was crazy. For me, it really was crazy towards the end. I experienced my biggest wins in 2020, and I experienced my biggest losses in 2020 as well. So I can just sit here and say cancel 2020. It is not practical. I learned a lot in 2020. I learned a lot about myself in 2020. I feel like in 2020 I had a roller coaster of emotions. Like one time I'm good, the other time I'm crying, the other time I feel so uncomfortable at where I was, the other time I just want to do everything. And yeah, so I just cannot say cancel 2020, because it was a learning period for each and every one of us. We all learned in different ways. So yeah, I just want to come here and say thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming through for me in 2020. You guys supported me. You guys watched the ads. You commented. There was a lot of engagement in 2020, and that's what I like. I want you guys to like, to comment, to share at least to one person, and just subscribe and just be there for me, guys. You guys are my big and small sisters and brothers, so I need you guys to be there for me, to hold my back, to make sure that I eat at the end of the day. So yeah, 2021 plans. I have a lot in store for you. I'm gonna bring back some of the things that we started with. If you're an OG, you remember we started with food content. So I'm gonna bring back food content. I'm gonna bring back Transformation Tuesday, and I'm still gonna hold on to those amazing vlogs. For a very long time, I really struggled with my content, because every time I put out content I would look at the numbers, and they were just not where I wanted them to be, and I would just jump from one content to another to another to another, and that was so frustrating and it wasn't fulfilling to me at all. So in 2021 I decided that I'm gonna do what I like. At the end of the day, you guys are gonna be here or not, so that's why I'm bringing so much variety. So if you're here for vlogs are still gonna be there. If you're here for Transformation Tuesday, we're still gonna create. If you're here for food vlogs, we're still gonna cook and eat. At the end of the day, I didn't want to stick to vlogs only, because I was just feeling so uncreative. I'm a creative person. I like that process of creating and just getting the end results, and most of the time I don't get that in a vlog for some reason. Creative can come in so many ways. It can come in filming. For me, it just comes in creating something from scratch, and I wasn't getting that on the vlogs. So that's why I'm bringing back everything. Transformation Tuesday is gonna come back on Tuesday. We are gonna have food content on Thursday, and we are also going to have a vlog every weekend on Saturday. Now I'm gonna give you guys 2 videos a week, 2 or 3 videos a week. So at most 3 and at least 2. I don't want to do 1 video a week anymore. I just want to push myself to give you guys content throughout the week, and in return I just want you guys to engage with my content. I want you guys to like. If you like, I kind of know what you really are into. I want you guys to comment, because that's the only way we communicate back and forth. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Just don't be rude about it, and then share it to at least one person so that we can reach more and more people. And then I want you guys to watch the ads. It is very important. That's the only way us as creative get paid here on YouTube. And if you guys watch the ads, I get paid, I get to eat, I get to create more, and you get a happy hour. So let's just exchange. It's all an exchange. So if you like vlogs more, just stick around on Saturday to watch the vlog. If you enjoy food content more, just stick around for Thursday to just watch the food content. If you like Transformation Tuesday, just stick around for Transformation Tuesday. If you like to support me in general, watch everything, guys. This time I'm just gonna do it for me, so that when I give it out to you, you kind of receive something that has been done with so much love and so much commitment. I'm gonna sit down somewhere, lay down everything, put out my content plan, write it down. I discovered in December that I can do everything on Microsoft Word. There's a calendar sheet where you could just open it and then put out all your plans over there, and then you can print it if you want. So I'm gonna sit down with my computer. I'm gonna do that, plan everything. I'm also going to select places in this house where I can film. You guys know in Nairobi I used to have my own filming space. Now here I do not have that, so I have to look for sections of this house where I could just film comfortably. We do have a lot going on in the background where we are right now, and I don't know how I'm gonna manage that. I have purchased a mic, so hopefully that mic is gonna cancel out all the extra all the outside noises. This place, there's either welding going on, there's like, we have a car hire, or I don't know if it's a car go down, so they're always making noise. There's a restaurant close to us, it's always making noise. So I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're going to work through it, hopefully. But yeah, tell me down in the comment section below, what are some of your plans for 2021? Yesterday I was watching news, and there was a guy who said he usually writes down 10 things that he has to do for that year, like let's say 10 things he has to do in 2021, and then when he, at the end of the year, he achieves 6 out of those 10, he celebrates himself. So you guys sit down, write down things that you want to achieve. They don't have to be 10. Also go sit on your praying mat or wherever you guys like prefer to pray about it. Tell God what you want to achieve this year. Mwambie too, like, if this is something that has blessings on me, like kama ni ya heri, please bring it to me, and if ni ya shari, please niondole out of that list, because you don't know, some of the things you might want, but they're not good for you. So you sit down, even with God, you lay down everything that you want to achieve, and then at the end of the day you leave it to him and you work so hard. 2021 is our winning year, right? Yeah, so I just wanted to come here and just wish you guys a happy new year, full of life, full of full of success. Everything that you guys wanna achieve in 2021, may you achieve it. Thank you guys so much for watching my little sit down moment. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share. Subscribe to this video, and I'm gonna see you guys on Tuesday for Transformation Tuesday. Bye.